Hi, this is Yuko. Today I will show you how to make an easy bento box lunch using Trader Joe's frozen Shu Mai, potato salad, and vegetable. No cooking is required other than turning on the rice cooker, and it takes less than 15 minutes to put together. Back to school this year is bittersweet for me as my son is now a high school senior and my daughter is already in college. I've been making bento box lunches for my kids almost every day since they were in preschool, even though school cafeterias always had options. They both preferred bringing a homemade bento lunch to school. We all know making lunch from scratch is ideal, but in reality, no one has that time or energy every single day to plan ahead or wake up early in the morning to make a bento. So using already made or frozen foods is totally okay. I proudly admit that I've often cut corners. Trader Joe's offer a variety of items that are perfect for packing in bento boxes. I'm sure you can find similar items at your local grocery stores. I microwaved frozen chicken shumai, mixed already made potato salad with ready-to-eat edamame for more fiber and protein, and I had the rice cooker set on the night before so the rice is ready in the morning. I like to stock up my fridge with small fresh vegetables like baby carrots, mini cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. They are easy, healthy, and colorful. Make sure all the hot foods are cool to the room temperature before closing the lid. You can learn more about my bento making on JapaneseCooking101.com. Since this is my last year of making school lunches for my kids, I would love to share more tips and tricks to make it easy for everyone. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.